Want to take a screenshot on your Android device, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to take screenshots on Android in 2 ways. Now let's get started. To take a screenshot on Android, push the volume up button and the lock button on your device at the same time. Your Android will then take a screenshot image of whatever is currently on your screen and save it to your camera roll. If this method is challenging for you mobility-wise, there's another way you can take screenshots. Instead of using the buttons on the side of your Android, swipe down from the top of your screen to open your device's control panel. Then tap the screenshot icon in the menu at the top. Your device will then take a screenshot image just like with the button method, and it will be saved to your camera roll. That does it for 2 ways to take screenshots on Android. To learn more about using Android, check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.